All right, back we go. The market's closed. S&P up 28, 237. Dow Jones 131. Nasdaq very strong today. Monday, February 8th. Let's take a look at some more stocks. Doing these quick videos, maybe like 5-10 minutes around that area. Yeah, just take a quick look at the technical analysis on these. ZIOP 200 million float, 945 million market cap. Unusual options activity, Benzinga. That was today. Clinical stage biopharma, discovering, acquiring, developing, commercializing portfolio of immuno-oncology therapies for treated heterogeneous solid tumors and unknown antigens. So let's take a look. Yeah, it said the big move in January all the way down. Look at that move. You get a washout like that and get in. Look what it did. You didn't know it's going to do that, but 2 to 7 came back, double bottom again. Not exactly, but bounced up again and came back. Here we are. Yeah, this one right to the 2 line. 3 had that little move back. It's really weird. It's like a fake out move. Very odd. And then this thing took off. Big candles here back and forth, but the moving averages were moving up. And today, the last 3 days, this has been on fire. 3 big candles ripping. Where do we go here? Let me look at the weekly. Weekly, you've a line right here, the 6 line. See the 6 line back and forth, back and forth. And it looks like, broke through before. It looks like we can do that again. So look for the 6. And then up towards 7, maybe 8. And on the daily, see we're so far away. Any pullback, if this pulls back to around 4-ish, maybe even 375, doesn't mean it's over the move. It still could be a buy here. So watch for that. This stock is very strong at this point, but it's not going to just keep going straight up. So just watch for any pullback on that point. Let's hit something here. All right, CYCC. Let's take a look at this. Psycha Lasso Pharmaceuticals, 3 million float, 3.32, 40 million market cap. What else did they do here? Clinical stage bio develops medicines, treatment of cancer and other hold on, what's that word? Proliferative diseases. Never seen that word before. Okay. Oh, and a big shout out. I forgot. My computer was down, my big 27-inch monitor, and I went to Ape Tech. If you're in Philadelphia, Cotman and Frankfurt, Ape Tech. They fix computers. They said it was just the drivers. They fixed it. They ran it, 24 hours, no problem. So I appreciate that. They said any problems, just bring it back. So shout out to them. If you're in Philadelphia, check them out. Ape Tech, Cotman, and Frankfurt Avenue, Philadelphia. Appreciate that. All right, CYCC. All right, this had to move right down here. It looks like we're at the 325 level. See that? Just below, but 325. And then where's the other move here? Yeah, over this 5 level too. Right here. See that? 5 back and forth, back and forth. Then this exploded up. 5, 9, 950 came back. Look at the 7 level. Made some odd moves here, but it did hold. It's coming up. The last 3 days have been very strong. Look at the volume. Stochastic's coming up. Nothing really that impressive back here as far as resistance. So, you have the 10 line right here. It keeps trying to 10 line. It's coming back right here to this 9 line. But this 9 line is pretty big. So if we get over this and can hold and get to 10, I'm just seeing what's up here. There's not much. Just go line on line, really, like 11, 12. I don't see significant volume or anything. You have this candle right here. This thing went all the way up to 19. I mean, this is a 3.32 million float, so this could fly. And again, supporting this, you want this line to hold right here at 9. Yeah, if it comes back, even see the 7 line, it could come back there. It's possible. So this one is a little bit trickier. But again, this one's been moving up too. Very strong on CYCC. ADIL. Dell Pharmaceuticals, 11 million float, 33 million market cap. Clinical stage bio, developed treatment of addictions. Now, this is an interesting chart too, looking on the daily. You can see the big run up 2019. This is a 250 line. It has a 1 line right here. You see the back and forth, the double bottom. Look at the spikes through on 250 here. Many spikes, and it's finally through here. You have the 125 line, you have the 175 line. And again, like a lot of these stocks, look at the last week. This thing's just taken off here. We're over 250. If this pulls back at 250, this comes up and pulls back. You want that 250 to hold, maybe even 225. Longer term, way this is going, this is over 3 now. Look for that 4. That's the last wick on this this chart right here, that 4 line. So this is another impressive move here. Just draw your line just like this. See this right here, the low keeps getting higher. This takes off. So this is another one looking very good. They're all looking like similar as far as like they're moving back and then they're really breaking up like longer term resistance. So we'll see how this works out. ADIL, lower float too. Someone has said they have a phase 3 in their pipeline. So they got some good stuff going on. All right, please subscribe to Mike Heyman Trades. Smash the like button. Trade ideas referral in the link. Twitter, Mike J Trades. TikTok, Mike Frank III. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. Stock Twits, Mike Heyman Trades. That is it. And I do have a Patreon. Check that out, but there's nothing on it yet. All right. That's it for this. Peace.